You know what? If she, oh, I was gonna say if she's going, I can go, but she's got more balls than I do. Hell of a lot more balls than I do. I should have just went through with it. Same point though, she probably doesn't give a fuck if she gets hit. I kind of give a fuck if I get hit. Oh, now she's going now that I have clear. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video too, where I had that big ass box on my lap. That was a pain in the ass. I still haven't even got the fucking thing installed yet. Oh, that turkey's gobbling out there. He's horny. I know y'all couldn't see that too hot, but there's a turkey out there. Probably a good foot long beard, because that bitch was almost on the ground. He's out there gobbling his goddamn head off. Because he's probably fucking hornier than shit. Okay, let's slow her down. Oh, it turns into dirt? Man. For how long is it dirt? Do I see gravel up ahead? I mean, it's actually just a pretty solid dirt though, not gonna lie. I ain't got no qualms about riding on this. Well, I can feel it in the fucking tires though, holy shit. More turkeys out there. My boyfriend's over there, guys. Ah, pavement. I can make it that far, right? I just squirrelied a little bit. Woo! It's the soft sand right here. Let me get over in this hard pack. It was hard packed back there, now it's soft over here. Somebody explain the situation how that happens. Is this side just less favorable than the other side? Because I can believe it. Considering this is not fucking hard pack. It's got gravel on top, but it ain't hard pack. Alright. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Okay. This is Bard Road. I'm gonna go left here. I'm pretty sure I know where I'm at now. Not really, but no, I really don't know where I'm at. I do know, however, that this way goes to the lake eventually. For those of you wondering, this bike's been down a 2-track before too. I mean, it was paved 2-track, but it was a 2-track. It's where Cy laid his bike down in the washout. So it was legitimately a 2-track, but it was a paved 2-track. So like, kind of a sketchy one, if you ask me. I don't like paved 2-tracks because then you don't know, like, is this like a big thing covered in gravel? Is the gravel gonna slide? Is it an actual road? What's up with this shit? You know, it's always sketchy a little bit. Then again, for me, riding down anything that's not gravel or pavement is kind of sketchy just because I don't like doing it. Because I associate gravel and dirt and sand with off-road tires, and I have street tires on. I mean, granted, the rear tire of this thing is pretty beefy, almost like an off-road tire, but I'd rather not find out it's... Oh, fuck, that's a wasp that just hit my goddamn visor. Go! Get! Fuck! No, I'm sorry, you guys didn't hear it, but I'm sitting here, I feel like a ting on my helmet. I look and say, oh, fuck! That's a yellow jacket wasp looking thing. Fuck that shit! So, I hope he's not on me anywhere. I'm not allergic to those things, but I'd rather not get stung, because I haven't been stung in probably, I was 9 years old maybe, at least 11 years. I don't really feel like, oh nope, we're going straight here, fuck that, I want to see what's ahead. I don't really feel like restarting my streak of getting stung by yellow jackets and wasps. Where the hell does this stuff go? I'm on Bard, that's Weber. I'm just exploring right now, guys. I'm exploring, I promise. I don't know where the fuck I'm going, but I'm exploring. I think I know where I might be at. Depends on what's up here on the right. Oh my god. Depends on what is up here on the right by the time I get up here, honestly. Okay, so maybe I don't know where I'm at. I was gonna say that there's a farm up here. Then I used to get hay there with my parents for our livestock, but I don't see no farm, so this ain't it. It's got acres though. Hello. Next to the fucking Seaway Gun Club. Oh, I'd be in love with that. Except I cannot afford any of this shit because I still work at McDonald's. Granted, I make 14 bucks an hour now, but I work at McDonald's, which pays for this and about it. Just this. Oh, woodchuck! I probably scared the fucker. He was sitting there eating, and then it's like, oh, woodchuck! Oh! I'm just exploring new roads today, guys. Wonder what kind of wildlife we're gonna see. It's already been a woodchuck and a yellow jacket on my visor, as well as a really horny turkey. Wonder what else there could be. As long as there's no deer, I'm fine. Actually, if there's deer on the side of the road, it'll be fine. If there's deer in my lane, stop. No more fine. There's a bear. Holy fuck! Why is there a bear this far south? I mean, there is bears farther south, but those are more like Baldwin and North, Lutherish area, maybe Irons and North. Because I used to bear hunt up north, and I see bears all the goddamn time. And that was like an hour from here, hour and a half. So I mean, yeah, I guess the bear could be down this far south, but something tells me they wouldn't be out now, considering it's like 85, almost 90, and they're black, so they're drawing sun. It's Orshel. I don't know what Orshel is. I'm going straight down Bard still. I figure if I just go down Bard, I'll get to somewhere that I know, and or I will get to turn around and go where I know. I'm pretty sure Bard leads to Scenic eventually, so I'll be good there, right? Oh, really quick, I had the bike scheduled to go in to get the primary drive belt. I said primary belt for so goddamn much that it got stuck in my head that it was a primary belt. Nah, that's what the primary is custom. No, I mean the final drive belt. I got a new final drive belt. That's scheduled for next Wednesday, so that'll be done. They're also going to change out the gaskets, which might get rid of my leak. I don't know if the leak is because of a bad gasket or if it's because I ran it hard as shit, and that's just what it does when I run it hard as shit. I haven't really determined that yet. Oh, Nestrum. I don't know where the fuck Nestrum. Oh, you know what? I see. Let's go left here. Yeah, I'm going left. Definitely not where I thought I'd be by now. I mean, it's obviously a populated road. Based on the amount of mailboxes. It looks like a Richie Rich area too, with how far off the road these houses are. Which tells me, by my normal understanding of rich people in Michigan, is the lake is over there somewhere. So I might be close to where I think I am. But I don't know yet. I won't know until I turn right one more time and see it. And speaking of a right, look at that. There's a stop sign. Ooh, a Hummer. I should not buy that because that's not a Humvee. Humvees are the cool ones. Hummers are the gay ones. I was expecting kids. Those are not kids. This is McMillan. Okay, yeah. I was close. If I hang right here, I get the Scenic, which turns into the lake. Surprise, surprise, the lake. What'd I say? Yeah, here's Scenic, because there's the Red Rooster Inn. So there is one more turn up here somewhere I'm taking. Not the right up here. I've been down that road before. I know you guys haven't, but I have, so there's no like air of mystery around it for me to be like, "Ooh, that's cool shit." So like, there is one more road up here. It's farther up ahead past the beach. It's actually at the next stop sign. You know, where I hang a right all the time whenever I'm with anybody or solo, I'm gonna hang a left instead and see what happens. Okay, here's the left I was telling you all about. I don't know what's down here. It might not even be worth it. I mean, it says Murray Road. Whiteview Light Station Museum, you say? I see it says museum. White River, not Whiteview. White River Light Station. Huh. I wonder if I'll have camera battery to do that. I really hope I do. Oh, stopping, standing, or parking. I can't stand there? What the fuck? That's a cool house. Oh shit, we're slowing down fast as fuck. I mean, right here I can understand the no stopping, standing, or parking. The fact that there's houses back here too, it always baffles me, like, You never expect there to be I don't ever expect there to be houses back over here and this far stuff. And then there's just houses, like tightly packed houses. They got a fucking tennis court. What the hell, guys? Boat houses, sea fever. That's a resort, ain't it? I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't come out here. I'm not rich boy. That's a dead end resort fucking house. What the shit? It's a beach association. I ain't going back there. I could go back there. I shouldn't go back there. Nah, I'm not going back. Not today. Not later when I get Cy with me. I'll pull Cy back there with me. See what he does. See how many rich kids we can piss off with daddy's money. While we're on our hard-earned mobiles, they can have their Audis that they paid for with daddy's money. No, they even got a fucking sidewalk? What? Dude, I didn't know this was back here. What the fuck? There's a lake? Holy shit. No, I knew there was a lake. I just didn't know it was like this extensive, you know? Okay, so that's a big ass Wabaningo? I don't fucking know how to say that. I don't want to sound like I'm saying something racist. So I'll say it wrong, and so it come out sounding fucking racist. Wabaningo. There we go. That does not sound right to say. That really does not sound right to say. But how's this for exploring a new fucking area? I have never been here before in anything. Like some places I've been in a car and not realized it until I went down there. It's like, oh shit, I know where I'm at. I ain't never been down here before. This is fucking new. All fucking new for me and you. I need to start a rap career now because I rhyme that pretty fucking hot. Oh, Coldwell Banker. Oh shit. That's pretty big. Oh, this is where the road ends, huh? Alright. Hold on. The museum is right there. Let me just whip a weeeee here. I mean, worst case, right? Like, woo! Alright, so museum and parking is that way? Combination vehicles. Park closed. No parking anytime. Huh. It's a maritime museum. Okay. I understand. Let me look. What the fuck is this place? Whoop. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't have a face mask though, so I can't do it. Damn. Chalk this up as a place to come back to. Oh, the old people don't like me because I'm loud. I'll whisper. Fuck. Get out of here, Facebook. Oh, and they're closed. Okay. I'll come back there later. Oh, well. Ah, fuck. Let me get out of here. I mean, I see the lighthouse from here, so I'll have to come back and check it out inside later. When they're actually opened. When they're actually opened, I'll come back. I'll bring someone with me or I'll go solo. I don't care. Do you guys want to see a video of the fucking station? I don't even know what's in there. Or what it's about, other than it's probably a lighthouse. But at the same point, if you don't know what the hell a lighthouse is, so what are you doing? Whew! Crispy. How is it that going back that way was so much longer than coming back up? Deer! Deer! I saw a deer! There's your fucking daily dose of deer. Yeah, look at that. I've seen groundhog, the horny turkey, deer eating leaf, wasp on my windshield. What the fuck next? At this rate, I will see a fucking bear.